What do you call a sea breeze on an immense scale? The answer is a monsoon. Just as the daily heating of land in the summer can bring a sea breeze on coasts, with a reversal of wind direction from off the land as evening cooling sets in. A monsoon is a major wind system that is simply the result of the differential heating of land and sea. Monsoonal climates are characterised by a dramatic seasonal change in direction of the prevailing winds over a region, which brings a marked change in rainfall and leads to distinct and often predictable wet and dry seasons. In fact, the term monsoon comes from the Arabic word mawsim, meaning season. Such seasonal variations occur because land surfaces heat up and cool down much more quickly than bodies of water. This leads to pressure differences, which influences wind flow. Usually the term monsoon is associated with heavy rain, but in this seasonally changing pattern there is also a dry phase in the winter months. 60% of the world's population live in regions affected by a monsoonal climate, but probably the best known monsoon is the one that affects much of South Asia. The Indian summer monsoon, also referred to as the Asian summer monsoon or the southwest monsoon, is an interaction of meteorology and topography on the grandest of scales. There are a number of atmospheric changes that take place before the monsoon rains arrive. As the sun climbs higher over the northern hemisphere, the Eurasian continent starts to heat up. The subtropical jet stream, which moves from west to east over northern India, weakens and moves northwards, settling in a new location far to the north of the Himalayas. A new jet forms over the southern half of the Indian peninsula, the tropical or equatorial easterly jet. This jet plays an important role in the start of the southwest monsoon by strengthening the area of high pressure over the Indian Ocean. With sea temperatures reaching nearly 30 degrees, the air over the ocean is comparatively cooler, so the density and pressure is higher than air over the nearby continent. As the huge landmass heats up during the summer months, temperatures can reach as high as 50 degrees. Warm air is less dense than cold air, so the hot air over the land rises, forming a huge area of low pressure. As air moves from areas of higher pressure towards areas of lower pressure, a persistent onshore flow develops. The low-level Somali jet off the East African coast gives the southwest monsoon an extra push,